Introduction. In New York, brokers face unique challenges when it comes to standing out in the digital space. The competition is intense, and staying ahead means adopting effective digital marketing strategies that resonate with local audiences. Marketing isn't just about having a website or social media presence. It's about using these tools smartly to reach the right people and nurture those connections into lasting relationships. Digital marketing offers brokers an opportunity to expand their reach far beyond traditional methods. With the right strategies, digital marketing can enhance visibility, foster trust, and lead to more closed deals. From understanding who your potential clients are to crafting campaigns that speak directly to their needs, embracing digital marketing is essential for modern brokers aiming to thrive in a bustling metropolis like New York. Understanding your audience. Knowing your audience is the cornerstone of any successful marketing strategy. For brokers in New York, the diversity of the market means that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Each neighborhood might have its own unique audience profile, and tapping into these nuances is crucial for engaging effectively. Here's how you can start. Segmentation. Break down your market into smaller segments based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Identify groups by age, income level, or housing preferences to craft messages that are relevant to each segment. Research. Use tools like surveys and interviews to gain insights into what potential clients are looking for in a broker. This helps tailor your approach to meet specific needs. Data analysis. Look at past interactions and sales data to identify trends and preferences among your existing clients. This can inform how you approach new prospects. Understanding these elements allows brokers to create personalized marketing messages that speak directly to their audience's needs. The more you know about your clients, the better you can serve them and build meaningful relationships that last. This understanding becomes the foundation upon which all your digital marketing efforts are based, ensuring they are relevant and impactful. Local SEO optimization for brokers in New York. Local SEO is a powerful way to boost visibility in search results. Focusing on local searches means optimizing your website to rank for keywords and phrases that your potential clients are using. To start, make sure your Google business profile is up to date. This is crucial for appearing in local searches and can significantly affect your online presence. When optimizing for local SEO, it's important to use keywords that are relevant to your geographical area. Consider adding neighborhood names or popular local landmarks to your content. This helps search engines associate your site with the areas you're targeting. Additionally, acquiring local backlinks and citations can enhance your website's authority. Look for opportunities to feature on local directories or collaborate with neighboring businesses to exchange links. Well-optimized local SEO helps your brokerage appear more trustworthy and known, making it easier for potential clients to find you. It's all about making sure that when someone in New York looks for a broker, your name is one of the first they see. Leveraging social media channels. Social media has become an indispensable tool for brokers to connect with potential clients. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn offer unique opportunities to engage with different demographics. How you use these platforms can make a big difference in how effective your social media strategy is. Creating and sharing content that resonates with your audience is key. This means posting about topics that interest your target clients, such as market trends or home buying tips. Engaging with your audience by responding to comments and messages quickly builds a sense of community and trust. Social media ads are another way to connect with the New York market. They allow you to target specific audiences based on location, age, and interests. This targeted approach ensures that your ads are seen by the people most likely to need your services, maximizing your advertising budget's impact. Email marketing campaigns. Even with new tech, email remains one of the most direct ways to communicate with potential clients. Building an email list gives you a direct line to those interested in your services. Here are some steps to make your email campaigns more effective. Build your list. Encourage visitors to your website and social media to sign up for your newsletter. Offer useful incentives like a market report or a guide to the home buying process. Craft relevant content. Keep your emails engaging by sharing valuable content that your clients want. This could be insights into the New York housing market or tips for first-time buyers. Personalize and automate. Use tools to personalize emails with the recipient's name and tailor content based on their interests. Automation can also help send timely messages such as reminders about open houses. A well-thought-out email marketing strategy ensures that as a broker, you maintain your presence in the minds of your clients, nurturing potential leads until they're ready to make a move. Boost your NY brokerage. Online, embracing these digital marketing strategies can significantly impact how brokers connect with their audience in New York. The key is consistently evaluating and adapting your approaches to ensure they remain effective. In doing so, brokers can effectively foster relationships and drive growth. By understanding your audience, optimizing for local search, engaging through social media, and leveraging email marketing, you're setting up a framework for success. The right strategies turn efforts into measurable results, keeping brokers well-positioned to thrive amidst New York's dynamic real estate landscape. Ready to take your brokerage's success to the next level? Discover how Ask8 can help you thrive with our expert digital marketing services in New York. Let us guide you in crafting a bespoke strategy that aligns perfectly with your goals and market demands. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it as a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant. I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. Augustine, Ask Auggie. Diaz marketing campaign, plus smart automation, plus coaching success. Ask Us internet marketing and lead generation services all the best to your success.